In this lesson, we'll go over the most important things that you can do for healthy light exposure. Light plays a crucial role in our well-being. It influences our health and our sleep patterns quite significantly. Healthy light exposure essentially boils down to mirroring the sun's natural light patterns. So get lots of sunlight and light exposure in the morning and afternoon, and avoid artificial blue light in the evenings. Morning sunlight signals to your body that your day has started, and it helps set your internal body clock. This means you'll feel more awake in the mornings, but you will also have a much better night's sleep in the evenings, because your body will know when it's time for bed. Try to get sunlight within an hour, even after waking up. Even a few minutes can make a difference. On sunny days, aim for about 5 minutes. If it's cloudy, go for about 10. And on very overcast or rainy days, maybe 20 or 30 minutes you might need. Skipping the sunglasses is also a good idea here. And try to be as consistent as possible with this. And if you miss a day, try to get some more exposure the next day. This consistency helps maintain your sleep-wake cycle, your hormonal balance, and your mental health. The other important point is to avoid artificial blue light in the evenings. Artificial blue light is everywhere in our modern world. It comes from digital screens like smartphones, tablets, computers, and televisions. And the main LED and fluorescent lighting in our homes and in our offices is a huge source of this blue light. And the issue with blue light is that it hinders melatonin production, which is the hormone needed for sleep, along with a bunch of other stuff. So when you're exposed to artificial blue light at night, for example, from looking at your screens, it tricks your body into thinking it's daytime and it wakes it up. So it's doing the opposite that we want to do at nighttime. It's priming us to be awake instead of priming us to be asleep. And there are a few things that we can do to avoid blue light exposure. And we're going to go through each of these tips in more depth later on in the module. So investing in blue light glasses, you can wear these glasses to block the blue light coming from all different sources. So you can use apps and different software to cut down on the blue light from your screens. And this lets you use your devices a little more safely in the evenings. Options like Flux for PCs and Night Shift for Apple devices can help. Iris software is also effective at adjusting screen brightness and color temperature. Also, choosing the right bulbs for your home is key here. You can also make some lifestyle changes for healthier light exposure. It might be hard to begin with, but I recommend avoiding screens and devices for at least an hour or two before bed. And if you must use them, then adjust the settings to turn off the blue light. But having some time away from devices can really help your body relax and prepare for a nice, restful, and rejuvenating night's sleep. In your bedroom, try to completely get rid of all the light. It's really important to sleep in total darkness, so consider getting some blackout blinds, and also ensure that all the lights in your room are off. Even small LED lights from devices should be hidden with black tape. In the next video, I'll show you how to reduce the blue light on your devices.